Hello Internet. Today we have this RTX A2000 in for repair. Customer said card is not detected, so let's figure out why that is. First order of business is to check for resistance measurements, which you can see in great detail on my Discord server. And after doing that, I didn't find anything abnormal, so I powered the card and it pulls 0.07 of an amp, which as you can see is just enough to spin the fan. And that's great news because today we learned that the fan pulls approximately 0.07 of an amp, and that's important. Somehow. Oftentimes these backplateless cards come with some knocked off components on the back, because no backplate. So I'll have a look around, and look at that. Do you see it? Neither am I, so have a blessed day and goodbye. I guess we're gonna have to take it apart after all, so let's do that and see what we can find. Seven ohms here. Don't know what that is. Most likely PEX. 1 kilo ohm on this coil. My guess it's a 1.8. This one is nearly 10K, so it must be 5 volt. This here I think is a memory with 50. And finally core with a dead short. Let's power the board and see what we're missing.
We got 5 volts. We got back 1.8 volts.
We have 0 on the core.
And we still have 6 beeps. The card is still not working. It's personal now.
The core is powered by this multi-phase controller on the back, which is this guy. Looking at it on an angle makes reading its markings easier. And also, that same angle of view showed me what we didn't see before looking at it straight down.
Now one tiny issue.
That is a missing diode.
Actually, it's a major issue.
If we measure leftover pads, we get 3.3 on one end, but there's no diode to make it go through the other end. So let's solder another diode
And remove the goggles.
We're gonna be stealing that from the donor card.
I have a lot of donor boards.
Solder it back onto the A2000, clean it up and
Remove the goggles.
see what it does. There. We're now pulling 850 milliohms more than before. And we have the core, memory, and PEX.
We got packs.
Great job, everyone. What's left now is to
Remove the goggles.
give it a light cleanup, run the memory test to make sure that there are no secondary issues, slap a fresh set of pads, close it up, and there we have it. Do you think this GPU is capable of gaming? Let's find out. Almost 90 FPS at 1080p. I say, not bad. Giving it size, this thing is clearly a winner when it comes to a pocket-sized gaming rig, if one does exist. Either way, the repair was a success, so if you've learned anything, please consider liking the video, post in the comment, and subscribe for more repairs. Goodbye.